Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Jabra Speak2 40 speakerphone speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. This is for both the UC and the MS Teams version. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting or not responding, or if there's issues with the sound, if the microphone's not working, any kind of bugs like this where it's not working properly, can very often be fixed with this factory reset. The other reason is if, for whatever reason you just want to clear all the settings instead of changing them manually, we just want to wipe everything off of this and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so we can set it up new. We can go ahead and do this really easily. All you need to do this reset is come in and find the answer call and end call buttons and press both of them simultaneously for 8 seconds. And basically after 8 seconds, you should see the LEDs at the top of the top by the power button. They will all blink pink, and then you will get a tone notification from the speaker, at which point it has been reset. You can go ahead and set this speaker up as though a brand new device.